Hi, this is Tim with Cisco. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how the type-down searches work within user groups. So starting off at Software Central, that's software.cisco.com. This is your primary location for managing downloads and upgrades, network plug and play, your licenses, traditional or smart licenses, ordering software from Cisco. We're going to spend most of our time in the bottom right-hand corner here for administration, and more specifically in the Manage Smart Account section, which is where we'll access the user group. After clicking on the User Group tab, we can see now that there's currently one user group that we've created, and the name of it is Deployment Engineers, and this is for the West Coast deployment team. Here's a simple way that you can sort using the type-down search. Here we can see we have 7 users in this user group, and let's say, for example, we wanted to find a particular subset of those users. I can type ON and it will show me Donnie and Raymond because those two include that string in their user ID or their email address. However, if I type Tim, it will just bring up Timothy Knapp as another user. You always do have the option to scroll through, but this is one simple way to capture that without having to scroll through individually. Similarly, we can do the same type of search using the Smart Account. If I type AD, the Smart Accounts that would be returned would simply be those that contain AD, like Canada Motors or ELA Demo. And if I wanted to recater that search with EMO, then the search results will come back with those containing EMO, like Big University demo accounts for Cisco and ELA. Now let's take a look at what we can do when managing the user group. With the list of virtual accounts, we always do have the option to scroll through, but if I did a search for ON, I'd receive results for London and Honolulu. And if I did another search for LON, then it would return London. This helps you cater the virtual accounts that you're selecting. And on the right-hand side, for those that have been added to the user group, if I search for LOS, then I would receive Los Gatos as the result for that search. Okay, so that's a basic rundown on how to use the type-down searches within user groups. Again, this is all accessible through Software Central. That's software.cisco.com. And for the administration section, there's a link to Manage Your Smart Account, which is where to go in order to create and update user groups.